Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Monday, March 30th, 2020. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see how we're doing in the market here today. So monthly chart looking pretty good. We're up 62 points. We're back at the bear market line in the sand. Let's see if this monthly chart, 1.5 more trading days left. Let's see if we can close above that 50 moving average on the month that we've been talking about. Weekly chart so far is still an inside week. Daily chart, double inside day, guys. We talked about this yesterday. Let's see if we can tick above it. You see I've already got an alert here to see if we can break out above this trend line. That we could see an interesting move off of that. Again, we're up 62 points. We don't want to force it, especially when we're in an inside day range, right? Even though we're getting at the high of the days, we're starting to test it a lot here, right? That just kind of proves that inside day choppy action. We want to wait to see how this one goes and see if we can push above the prior day's high, right? It's going to be a really key one to look at right here. Let's take a look at the SPY. Okay, same thing going on here, right? So let's go to the intraday price action. This one, we had a few nice trades on SPY today. We got a nice short at the open here to the downside, right? We also caught another short in this candle, I believe, here, and now we're just kind of observing this to see how this inside 15 handles on the S&P chart here. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Okay, so futures again, guys. Remember we drew this triangle for everybody this morning here in the public stream, right? Nice breakout here before the open, and then we opened up, right? Got that nice little short there inside 15 and bounced right off of that triangle line right there for a nice bounce to the upside. So great stuff there. MES again. Same thing, right? Nice inside 15 up today off of those triangles, right? So good stuff here. Remember that channel there? Channel breakdown this morning, right? Just kind of worked our way up here. And we're actually kind of channeling upward here today. Let's see if we can get back into that tighter channel there. So this inside 15 still in the works. Let's take a look at Apple. So Apple, Monday, so again, premium's still a little bit high right here. We had a double inside 15 up for a real quick move to the 15-orb high, and that was about it. Inside 15 down, and we're just kind of chopping today in that range. So we're at the top of a big channel right here, so we're just kind of going to wait and see if it gives a breakout move. Amazon actually gave a real nice breakout move this morning, which is real great here. It got out of its channel this morning for a nice momentum move up, which we pointed out on the live stream this morning. Let's take a look at Tesla. Okay, so Tesla is really tight today. Look at that. Multiple inside 15s here into a nice triangle pattern here and got to its 15-orb high a little bit earlier. So that was a great move on Tesla. And then Boeing, guys. Again, this was just a nice follow through from Friday's reversal off of the macro downward trend line here, and we're seeing that move down. We saw a nice move to the downside today, but it is holding the 80 MA, so we're going to keep an eye on that. So a couple chart requests right here. We got Uber. Uber hit the news a little bit today for a quick pop, and now it's just still kind of just hanging out an inside day. So it gave a nice inside 15 up today, and now it's back inside the 15-orb range. So let's see how it holds, see if it wants to test the low end of that range. But right now, at the midpoint level is the next contender on that one. Piton, nice move this morning. This had relative strength into the open, right? Gave a nice breakout move this morning. Came back inside 15 here at the 15-orb high for another move to the upside. So that's looking pretty good. Let's see how it looks on the daily. Daily had a great chart from over the weekend, and it got that nice move up there. It is rejecting its 50-day moving average, so just be careful with that one. Microsoft trade of the week idea from the newsletter. So this one's just holding up great today. Looking pretty good here. I like how it took that inside day up. That's a really key level right there. It's one that we point out all the time. Right to the macro trend line right here. So let's see if we can get and stay above that one. And then Macy's. This is one that was just weak at the open this morning and gave a big move down. And again, of course, they came out and said that they're furloughing their people and things are really rough. And so after that, you get an inside 15 move to the upside, right? Just the way logic goes sometimes. Anyway, so we'll see how that holds right here. You can see here on the daily, you're just kind of chopping around here below the 80 MA. So good stuff, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your trading day. We'll catch you guys at the daily market wrap, and I hope everybody stays healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game, and we'll talk to you guys soon.